big rain, dude, like that's really not something that I love. But it's cool, like, to drive in it. But like, literally, like everybody said, it's the other people that F it up. Cause you're not supposed to drive fast in this weather. Like I could go a little bit, you know, but people was like stepping on it, and man, like doing that in the wrong car, especially if you're in a rear-wheel drive, oh, you're done. If your tires aren't great too, that would take you out, and that's why it's literally a combination of everything. But I'm just chilling in the 3,000 to 4,000 RPM of third gear, because I don't know, you know, I'm pretty sure I can go a little bit faster or so, but I just don't go with that. This light about to turn, but come on, take it. If I go too much, it's gonna slide. Whoa, which ain't terrible, but I ain't trying to slide. Like, this ain't all-wheel drive, you know? I don't got that benefit of that four-wheel drive. So, I won't spin out 10 times out of 10, but it'll be like just a little, you know, a little woo, and that's personally, I hate that because of bad experiences. And it's definitely not in sport mode, it's in casual. Try to stay away from people. I hate when they be on my rear end, because what if they slip out and then they end up being close to hitting me? So I try to get away or back away, because that's your enemy, literally. The people on this damn road. I'm allowing them to drive fast because I have no rest in this weather at all. You ain't gonna see my ass on the side of the road with the police there looking stupid. Barely kind of went on to the wheel, and it definitely slipped. But this car naturally loses traction, like, in a good way. All these huddles though. I cannot use the back of the camera. Like, I just don't like it. It's just not accurate like my mirror. Wow, that popped.